Hi everyone, this is Ping Priscilla. Are you just like me, looking forward to doing something different this weekend, or making and enjoying some different food? I made 2 loaves of bread the day before, and each only needed a few ingredients. These homemade bread without using milk or eggs are such a pleasant surprise to enjoy in a weekend morning. And today, I took advantage of this bread and make a very hearty breakfast. Also, I have such a joyful weekend mood, so I gave it a very interesting name called When French Toast Meets Coffin Bread. And now, let's do a new way of meditation through beautiful piano music and relaxing cooking. First, you can cut the bread into the size you like. But because today I added the concept of the coffin bread, so I cut my bread into very thick slices. The egg mixtures only require 4 ingredients: an egg, 1/4 cup of soy milk, you can add milk if you like, 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, and a little cinnamon powder. And you can also add your favorite seasonings such as salt, sugar, orange juice, or coffee as you like. I have put the bread into the egg mixture, soaked it, so the whole piece of bread will absorb the egg mixtures completely. This way, when I pan fry the bread, the outside will be crispy and golden brown, and the inside will remain very soft. And you can also use butter or regular oil to pan fry your French toast. But today, I choose a different method. I baked it in the oven. First, I preheated the oven to 425 degrees, and then I baked it for about 12 minutes or until the surface of the bread is beautifully golden brown. French toast has become one of the most popular brunches because it is particularly soft, whether it is eaten alone, with fruit, or as a salty food. Let's talk about the very famous coffin bread from Tainan, Taiwan. At first, it was not called coffin bread, but chicken liver plate. However, because its appearance is very similar to a burial board, it was later named the coffin bread. And the legend said it was invented by a gentleman named Xu Liuyi. The name coffin bread sounds a little bit strange. Also, it doesn't sound very good. Maybe you know that feng shui is very important in Taiwan, so some stores changed the name of the coffin bread to be fortune bread to promote good luck. In Taiwan, the coffin bread is deep fried until golden brown and then hollowed out and separately. Chicken, peas, radish, and cuttlefish, etc. are cooked in a broth, thickened with fresh milk, and then put in the deep-fried bread. Cover with top bread lid, then the famous and delicious Tainan coffin bread is done. Because of its shape and its special sweet taste, the coffin bread became an instant hit and gradually became one of Tainan's very most famous snacks. But in fact, the taste of the coffin bread is relatively greasy. It is sold mainly to tourists, and it is not often eaten by locals. For me, I believe I only have eaten it twice, So I am very curious if you are a Taiwanese or have traveled to Taiwan before, how many times have you eaten a coffin bread? Okay, just consider that today I am making a fortune bread instead of a coffin bread. Since I'm also like to eat strawberry, raspberry, and blueberry, I put all the fruits I like into the combined French toast and coffin bread. At the same time, we cannot skip maple syrup. In addition, you can also add yogurt or whipping cream to your fruit if you like. For some added decoration, I sprinkled some powdered sugar and added a mint leaf. Does this look like a high-end afternoon tea snack in a 5-star hotel? Or the most delicious weekend breakfast? I often think that to me, the meaning of my life and the sense of personal satisfaction and happiness do not mainly come from a successful career, so I can make enough money and enjoy a luxury lifestyle. Instead, it's more important for me to find my own freedom and creativities in life. Today, by using the concept of when French toast meets the coffin bread, let's all jump out of our comfort zones and get rid of all the meaningless burdens and pressure, so we can live more freely and happily. If you like my videos, please give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, or share my videos with your families and friends. Your support is very important to me. I hope to see you next time.